Today we're going to be discussing Shiba Inu Coin and why the AMA just made us rich. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach. Welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please comment down below how much Shiba Inu Coin you have, how much you want to have, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Now, if you guys have not already, go ahead and get signed up with Public with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon just a couple of weeks ago, so if you guys want to try out your luck with that, go ahead and get signed up with the first link in the description. Also, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and get signed up with our private Discord. We're giving out our buy and sell alerts. They are fire. We put out a few on our Instagram, so if you guys want to check those out, go ahead and go follow our Instagram and check out our buy and sell alerts that we posted after the fact. But yeah, go ahead and join with that second link in the description. Anyways, Shiba Inu Coin up 4.5% today. Now this comes after the Shiba Inu Coin AMA that actually went extremely well. Now we did see most of our gains through the morning. We didn't see the gains for the AMA as it happened really. However, a lot of good sentiment came through for Shiba Inu Coin, and now people are starting to load back up. So that is really awesome to see. But yeah, we're going to be talking about technical analysis at the end of this video, and we're also going to be discussing the Shiba Inu Coin AMA and why it's extremely beneficial for the SHIB community. But yeah, so make sure you guys stick around for that. But yeah, let's get into this. First off, I do want to mention, go ahead and follow us on Twitter. It's Finance Bro. We tweet a lot of Shiba Inu Coin and crypto news in general. SHIB has flipped bullish before the Shiba Guru AMA. We posted this on here. If you guys don't know, this is from Quantified Crypto, and you can see that it turned bullish, and throughout the rest of the day, you saw what it did. It went from being down in the 24s all the way up to at one point being in the 27s. So yeah, if you guys want to follow us, go ahead and do that. We're trying to get to 1,000 by the end of February. But anyways, also, I do want to mention the Shiba Inu AMA. We're going to be going over a complete rundown and why this is extremely beneficial for the SHIB community. So make sure you guys listen up. This is going to be the complete breakdown. The Shiba Inu AMA with Watcher Guru was held today with a range of subjects that came up for discussion. The moderator of SHIB's Discord, Queenie, was the key speaker along with influencers Archangel and SHIB Informer. However, the lead developer of Shiba Swap, Shitoshi Kusama, was available on chat, and former Activision head William Volk spoke about the upcoming games. Real quick, my thoughts real quick. It was cool that we got to hear SHIB Informer's voice. That's not what I expected his voice to sound like. But William Volk was really the key guy here. He did extremely well and talking, and I think he was a big reason why we saw that pump through the morning. But anyways, here's a complete rundown. They started out talking about the Doggy DAO, and I do want to mention I streamed the whole thing, so if you guys want to watch it, you can watch it on our live stream from yesterday. Go ahead and do that. But yeah, the first topic was the Doggy DAO. The team confirmed that the development, which was launched a week ago, is just the beta version. As of now, only bone holders are given access to voting on pairs on the Shiba Swap system. Speaker Archangel said, "Since this is a beta release, we have an amazing user base. A step-by-step implementation is required, so we don't run into any security issues." They couldn't just release the whole thing because they want to make sure that they're going step by step and not having any issues. We are especially cost cautious as we all watched a DAO experience a hostile takeover a few weeks back. So that's definitely on everyone's mind. But yeah, SHIB burns. This is another part that received the most attention during the AMA segment. Archangel did announce that the upcoming Shiba Swap 2.0 will have a specific burn portal. He confirmed that the burn mechanisms will be put into place for Shiba Swap 2.0 that will work towards reducing the circulating supply. So ShibBurn.com might not be very relevant anymore. I don't know if they're also helping with that. We want to make the burn rate grow with the utilization of the platform. So if you think about it, this is a kind of new utility. It's about getting the supply slowly reduced as you use the platform. So yeah, he wants burns with utility. Moreover, he asked investors to be realistic and not ask for a 90% burn, as that's highly impossible. So I think it's that's a bit impossible, but something like a 50 to 75% burn isn't. They then talked about wellies and how wellies will have a burn function when Shibarium is released, but really not a lot of new information here, so I'm going to go on to the metaverse. Metaverse or the Shiberse. So the Shiba Inu lands. The team confirmed that 99,000 pieces of land in the Shiba Inu's upcoming Metaverse the Shiberse will be released. The launch will be a 10-day land event where leash holders will get first access to view, bid, and purchase SHIB lands. However, only 35,000 plots will be released at first. After the first batch of lands are sold, the rest of the lands will be released in stages. The second batch will be open to everyone, not just SHIB holders. So you're going to be able to get in on the Shiba Inu lands, but if you're a leash holder, you're probably going to get it at a much cheaper price. Leash holder, you're going to be able to get a cheaper price than say the second batch. The bidding system will be announced when the release date is near. And then games by William Volk, like I said earlier, he did really amazing. Former Activision head William Volk spoke in length about the Shiba Inu games that his team is working on. He confirmed that the game will be a collectible card game. I want to make it clear that this is not just a clone of an existing game. Collectible card games, this is really unique. Something that is very interesting about this is that it's a very sustainable economy. It includes for both the mobile game and the blockchain game, said William Volk at the Shiba Guru AMA. If you guys want to watch the whole segment, he did a very amazing job. Basically, there's going to be a mobile card game that's released on the App Store and everything, and then a blockchain game later. The Shiboshi NFTs, 2,000 owners of the Shiboshi NFTs will receive lands that will be exclusively reserved for the Shiba Inu NFT holders. The lands are for the Shiba Inu metaverse. A SHIB informer confirmed that the lands will have utility and not just be another JPEG on the internet. We didn't create Shiboshis just to be a nice JPEG, it has to have some utility, he said. So basically, yeah, we have 2,000 owners of the Shiboshi NFTs that are going to get access to lands. So that's awesome if you're holding the Shiboshi NFT. Congratulations. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the SHIB AMA. The global crypto market is actually doing okay today. I like the support we've kind of held here. We were doing a lot better this morning, kind of seeing a bit of a sell-off now, but overall it's okay. Shiba Inu is sitting at 14th place right now and really outperforming the market, outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum by 4% and 5%, and up 5%. You can see the volume is at $1.6 billion, and we are on the actual upward trend for our volume. So that's all really good. Also, let's check out the technical analysis. We eventually did break through this downward trend we were in, got a candlestick above the 245 level like I wanted to, and then we made our rise all the way up to the 27 level before now selling off a bit and just kind of correcting itself. The MACD still trending down. The RSI is starting to see some more green candlesticks here. The RSI is at 46. Overall, this looks like we will probably settle down around above the 25 and then maybe try to make a run for that resistance at the 28 once again. So overall, our RSI was just too overbought, and now we have had a correction, and I think we will stop above this 25 before making our next leg up. But yeah, make sure you guys get signed up with Public with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1. You're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon. Might as well try out your luck there with the first link in the description. And also join our private Discord to get our buy and sell alerts, as well as one-on-one interactions and first looks into new cryptos we're looking into. So if that's something that might interest you, go ahead and get signed up with that second link in the description. But yeah, that's going to be it. Make sure you guys subscribe. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next one.